Hi guys, it's Miss Annette. I got another great book for you. It's kind of a silly one. It's called The Flea's Sneeze. And it's written by Lynn Downey and the pictures are by Carla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm in a rickety, tumbled down barn, everyone slept peacefully. They're all piled in the barn. What do you see? A pig and a cow and a dog. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow and an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog and a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Ooh, what is a flea, do you think? They're sleeping. Oh, look, it looks like they have zzz, like they're snoring. Zzz. Ooh, what is a flea? Flea is some teeny tiny little insect that lives on a cat or in the fur of an animal and bites at their skin. No one heard him cough. Do you see how little he is? He's on top of the mouse. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl or the feathered fowl, or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Look, they're all still sleeping. Can you name all the animals? Let's see, name all the animals that you're seeing. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Uh-oh, maybe he's got a cold. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They're all on top of each other. The dog is on top of the cow, and the hen is on top of the dog. How silly. The bat is on the cow's tail, the mouse, and the pig, the cat on top of the pig, and the mouse on top, and then the owl. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for B? Oh, look. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Look, they're moving around because the dog's not on the cow anymore. Who's that in the window? The pig's in a different spot. Look at the frog on top of the cat. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Oh, what does achoo mean? Did he sneeze? Oh my goodness. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed boo-hoo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who uttered moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoot hoot, and flustered the fowl, who croaked cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woof woof, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. So he went to sleep. Do you think all the animals can go back to sleep now? For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. So they were able to go back to sleep. The flea and the mouse he used for a house. He used the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. Look, the cat's upside down now this time, laying on his back. No one heard his garble wheeze. I think I gotta sneeze. The end. I'm sure right now you've seen a lot of people sneezing. The pollen is out, and when we sneeze, what do we need? Exactly what they was asked for in the book, a tissue. We should get a tissue to sneeze in, right? I so look forward to the next story.